Is your Mac starting to feel like it's stuck in the digital stone age? Today, we're going to blast it into the future with a simple software update. First, click the Apple icon in the top left corner of your screen. This opens the Apple menu, your gateway to all things system-related. From the drop-down menu, select About This Mac. This opens a window that gives you some information on your computer. In the About This Mac window, you'll likely see a button that says Software Update. Click this button to check for available updates. This will open the Software Update panel in System Preferences or System Settings. Depending on your macOS version, if an update is available, you'll see it listed here. It might say something like macOS Sonoma or macOS Monterey Update. Click the Update Now or Upgrade Now button to begin the download and installation process. This might take a while, depending on the size of the update and your internet speed. Make sure your Mac is connected to a power source and has a stable internet connection during the entire process. Avoid interrupting the update, as this could cause problems. Your Mac will restart during the installation. Don't worry, this is perfectly normal. Just let it do its thing. Once the update is complete, your Mac will boot up to the latest version of macOS. You'll have the newest features, security patches, and performance improvements, keeping your Mac running smoothly and securely. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Mac.